असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Yeah, question number 3 in the second one we'll consider about that express 45 millimeters into we just express in centimeters, meters and kilometers. Okay, right. We know that to first of all convert into centimeters. 45 millimeters. To convert millimeters into centimeters, millimeters are smaller than centimeters. We know that to convert smaller units into higher units, we have to divide it, right? Yeah, to convert to divide it by, what is the number? Divided by 10. Why? Because 10 millimeters makes 1 centimeter. Okay, now we just divide it. 45 by 10 centimeters. To write in the decimal, it will be we put the decimal from the right, as many zeros in the denominator. So here 1 0, so that we put the decimal. Actually, where is the decimal? Here it is the decimal. Why? Because 0 0, if you write, it will be like that. So the decimal point will comes here then. Okay, so 45, so 4.510. So we put the decimal from the right, and I just put here point, so then it will be 4.5 centimeters. Okay, now 4.5 centimeters, so converted into meters. To convert centimeters into meters, we just divided by 100, because 100 centimeters makes 1 meter. So when we convert 4.5 centimeters by divided by 100, it will be meters. So now the decimal point moves 2 digits to the left. When we divide a decimal by numbers ending with zeros like 10, 100, 1000, the decimal point moves to the left. When we multiply the decimals by 10, 100, 1000, the decimal point moves to the right. So here the decimal point moves to left, so that how many digits it has to be moved? 2 digits. So already 1 digit here and 1 more digit, 0 4 5 0.045 meters. So again, to convert 0.045 meters into kilometers, meters into kilometers, we just divided by 1000. Why? Because 1000 meters make a 1 kilometer. So 0.045 by 1000. These are kilometers. How many digits it actually to move to the left? 3 zeros, so that 3 zeros have to move. Okay, already 3 digits are here. It is moves to 3 zeros. Right, when it is come 0.00045 kilometers. This is all about converting 45 millimeters into centimeters, meters and kilometers. Okay, right, in this session we will discuss about the question number 3, which is related to exercise 2.5. So express 10 centimeters in meter and kilometer. So we have already discussed about smaller units and higher units. To convert smaller units into higher units, we have to divide. So to convert higher units into smaller units, we have to multiply, right? So let us choose that which one is preferable to convert centimeters into meters and kilometers. So yes, definitely we are going to be divide to convert centimeters into meters, and also and centimeters into kilometers, right? Let us go. You know that first of all we are going to be shown express that centimeters into meters. To express centimeters into meters, how many centimeters make a 1 centimeter here? 100 centimeters makes is equals to 1 meter. So what about 1 centimeter? 1 centimeter is a 1/100th part of meter, right? 2 centimeters, 2/100th of meter, right? In that way, so 10 centimeters, 10 by 100 of meters, right? 0, 0. That's it. 1 by 10 meters. Then it can be written in the decimal form as 0.1 meters. When we convert 10 centimeters in the meter, we'll get 0.1 meter. Then after we convert it into meters, right? Yeah. How many meters makes 1 kilometer? 1000 meters makes 1 kilometer. For how many centimeters for 1 meter? There are 100 centimeters into 1000. Then if you multiply 1000 meters into, to convert 1000 meters into centimeters, we have to multiply 1000 by 100. All these are converted into centimeters. So these are there in the 1 kilometer. Altogether 117, took 5 zeros. It means 1 lakh centimeters in 1 kilometer. If when we discuss about 1 centimeter now, 1 by 1 lakh kilometers. Here we talk about 2 centimeters, 2 by 1 lakh kilometers. 5 centimeters, 5 by 1 lakh kilometers. Here we have 10 centimeters, right? 10 by 1 lakh kilometers. 0, 0. Then 1 by 10,000 kilometers. Then it is right in the decimal point 0.0001 kilometers. Okay, 0.001 kilometers. So 10 centimeters when we expressed in the meters is 0.1 meters, and the same 10 centimeters when we expressed in the kilometers 0.0001 kilometers.